What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today I am going to be playing Squarebird, and it's a really cool thingy. It's really cool. It's a really cool game, and I have quite a lot of chickies. I mean, no, I don't really have that many, but I have blueies, so that's good. Okay, I'm gonna get up. Wait, that was a lot. What the? No! Okay, that is not. Yeah, not good. I'm not gonna revive. In this video, I'm not gonna. There's a lot of ads in these games. This game, so don't click out the video from the ads. Okay, I'm gonna get a lot of coins there. I'm not gonna raise it now. I want to see what Packers I have. Okay. How do you even use these Packer thingies? Oh my god, these parts are really annoying, but they're really good because you get a lot of coins. How many coins was that? Oh my god, that was so... Okay, I'm just gonna get it. I need more birdies. I'm sorry, guys. It's just that I really want birdies. I'm never gonna download that stupid game. Yes, I have a vampire. Okay, I can't go too high because then it's gonna probably kill me. What did I do? It's killed me. Yes. I'm sorry for the background, guys. My brother is playing. He's watching. I mean, he's watching YouTube right now. I'm playing right now. Oh my god! I never saw those things. What? Snakes? What the hell? I mean, back to the staircase, but like snakes? What? Okay. Oh, okay. I really need to get this guy. Oh, I got him first. Okay. Well, that's pretty sick. I'm just gonna get some more coins. Okay. Yes. I have to get my thingy. What the? Where is it? I swear. Where is this guy? Oh, he's here. Okay. I picked the ghost. I really like the ghost though, so I'm not even gonna play with that other guy. Oh, okay. Oh, are you serious? It was right there. Okay, I'm just gonna revive. Like, I don't know why I'm making you looking at, but it's just
Download now for free.
okay there. Okay. Or maybe I will. I will just play with that guy. Oh, wait, I have that guy. Okay. It's this guy. Why the hell?
New dragons have arrived.
Okay. I'm gonna go too high. That's why I don't want to go too high, because then that's gonna happen. Perfect. No! Oh, that was... Oh yeah, that's how you shoot it. Definitely. What? Wait, what? I got a new guy. Hey, where is he? Where is he? Why is there an Iron Man? Okay. I'm just gonna get... Bro, this guy is gold. Oh, okay. This is the gold level. Just keep on jumping. Oh my god, so much money. Get it now. Come on, the cyborg. I need that. It's too sick.
What's more fun than a dragon? An island full of them.
Bro, this is just sick.
You never have too many.
Not the game. It's just like the skin is sick. I would never buy this game. This game sucks.
Dragon Mania Legends. Download
Why does this ad keep popping up? Yes. I mean, it's not too crazy of something. Whoa, what the? There's literally... My head just bashed into something. Another of these thingies. No! Oof, that was so perfect. Oh, okay, I was really close to like getting the... Okay. I need this. Please be it. No! Can I... Guys... I need to. Bro, the skin is sick. It's a watermelon? Like, what is it trying to say? Watermelon.
What's more fun than a dragon? An island full of them. You can never have too many dragons. Dragon Mania Legends.
No, I'm never buying that. Why does this ad keep popping up? Okay, let's just open these three in the middle. Yes! Finally! Oh, and also I got some coins. Yes! I needed coins. Okay, I have a lot of coins. I'm probably going to spend them right now. I think I can buy like, yep, one. Why did I buy that one? That's like the baddest one. Oh, watermelon. What the hell is that? Perfect. I'm trying to get as much perfect as I can. No, that was going to be a perfect one. Shut up. I've been playing like a lot of this game. I don't know what level I am, but I know I'm over level 100. Level 362. Yep, definitely more than 100. 362, like what the? Snake, why didn't you chop me down? Okay, so I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you did. And have a good day, and bye.